Hello, we're coming at you live from the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. I'm David Rose, and today, with the power of electricity, we are making some delicious stout braised lamb shank. No peeking. What I have today with me is a product specialist, Roxanne from Vulcan, who's going to walk us through and let us know the highlights of the Versatile Chef Station. So Roxanne, please take it away.
So the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station is a smart range match braising pan. Everyone knows a braising pan is one of the most versatile pieces of equipment in a kitchen, but what makes this smart are a couple of really cool components. One is the rapid recovery griddle plate that is incorporated in the tank, which has stainless steel on the top and bottom and an aluminum core, which transfers heat 5 times faster than a standard cold rolled griddle plate. And underneath the tank are 6 individual heating elements, each one with their own thermocouple. So each one is constantly measuring temperature to maintain accurate temperature across the entire cooking surface. So if I were to use this to make some burgers and I put one cold burger patty on just one of those elements, just that one element is going to kick on to heat up and come back up to temperature with the rest of the tank. I made a braise, right, or a stock or a soup, and I want to save that braise or stock or soup. It doesn't tilt like your traditional braising pan, but what it does have, it incorporates a drainage system. So if I'm going to save that braise or that stock, I simply drop the drain, slide in a container, and I can braise that container. Or if I'm going to clean it out, I can incorporate some water with just the push of a button, scrub it down, drain to a floor sink if I have it, or if I don't, I have a little caddy that scoots right underneath. I can drain to that caddy and roll it over to the floor sink and drain it that way. It also incorporates some intuitive controls with some preset settings, fryer, boil, and griddle. But I have the ability to take this unit from room temperature up to 450 degrees. So I could melt chocolate or I can sear a steak, and anywhere in between. If I want to set it to 295 degrees, I can do that. And those thermocouples incorporated into the plate ensure accuracy at no matter what set temperature.
Wow, that is super impressive. My mind is literally blown. I've been searing, I've been braising. The one thing left to do is eat, and for that, you gotta stay tuned to the Chef Series.